The Formwash V2 has 3 pairs of slots for installing the build platform mount arms that can be chosen based on the size of parts and the fill level of the solvent within the wash. The inner set of each pair can support Form 2 or Form 3 build platforms, while the outer set can support Form 4 build platforms. There are 2 types of build platform mount arms that may come with your wash, ones with a new black stabilizing panel and ones without. Both types are installed in the same way. Use this video to learn how to install the build platform mounts onto your Formwash V2. If this video helps you with your unit, please like the video, and thanks for watching. First, with the unit plugged in and on, use the knob to select Raise. The elevator raises out of the bucket. Select the location to install the build platform mount arms that best suits your washing needs. Install the arms by inserting the tabs into the selected slots. Hold the tower with one hand for stability. With the other hand, place your finger in the center groove of the black panel to gain appropriate leverage. Push down firmly to lock the arms in place. If you need more leverage, push down with your thumb in the groove instead of your finger. The arms have now been properly secured. To remove the arms for repositioning, hold the tower with one hand and pull straight up on the arm with the other. It may be helpful to push up on the black panel with your thumb to release the arm. Need further assistance? Contact Formlabs support or your certified service provider for additional support. Did this video help you get printing? If so, please leave a like on our video and subscribe for more content. What video would you like to see next? Leave a comment telling us more.